Hello loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Wanjiku. So today was on a beautiful Monday, but my house was speaking otherwise. Look at the way my TV stand is ugly. Hey. So today was a cleaning day because Mondays I do clean my house. Not only my house, I do laundry on Mondays. And my house was in a total mess because the whole of last week nimekuwa busy till Sunday. Nimekuwa too busy. So on this Monday I was supposed to take a good rest, but I didn't cut bed sheets because nilijua I'll go back to that bed. Nikiimagine nafai kuendea maji kwa kisima ndo nioshe hizi vyombo, I clean the kitchen, I have to do laundry. So I was like nitarudi kwa hiyo bed anytime. Cause it's not easy kuchukua maji kwa kisima upandishe second floor, it's not easy. So I had to sacrifice the rest and start doing what was necessary to make this house clean. So I'll start by doing laundry ndo at least manguo zangu zikuwe zikikauka while I'm washing the utensils, and also while I'll be cleaning the house at least zikuwe tu zikimwaga maji vizuri. So yeah, because kuna jua nje. Although today the weather wasn't that sunny, but it was still good. Zingekausha kausha a little bit of the clothes, the light clothes. So I decided to start by doing the laundry. I was done doing my laundry, then proceeded to clean my utensils, although I didn't film it because niliwashia nje and I was so fast about it. So niliamua kupanguza my kitchen table, although this kitchen table I'm thinking of just selling it ama nipake tu rangi ile ya mafuta poa because this was my first furniture to buy and I didn't know kunakuwa na rangi ya maji na ya mafuta, and the perfect one ni ile ya mafuta. So walinipakia rangi ya maji, and the more you like clean it up, the more inatoka, the more you put something on top ina fade, unajua inaacha tu. Like right now my gas iko na tu hiyo circle hapo. Someone advised me nieke like I don't know ni mat hapo, but I'm just not interested in that. Like, okay, it's a good idea, but sidhani I was going to look for a mat nianze tena kuwekelea. So yeah, I cleaned my gas na nikapanguza also my table so that I can just place the clean utensils before nizipange kwa my utensils rack huwa naacha tu zikauke hapo, like zimwage maji tu kidogo before I put it, because you see that one is a metallic utensils rack and most of them zinaanzanga kupata zile my couch wasn't that stressful. I was just supposed to like remove each and everything that wasn't supposed to be there and clean it up a little bit. as for my carpet, nilitoa uchafu na hii soft brush. Then I went ahead and clean it up with ile brush ya kufulia nguo na maji yenye iko omo. So yeah, just to make it look fresh. If you know this tactic, utajua what I'm trying to say. But yeah, that wasn't really hard for me because I was just removing all the dust first. Then sasa nipitishe hiyo brush yenye iko na maji. So I do use Star Soft as an air freshener because the smell is always gentle. Like haikuangi so strong on me. So I do use it. Huwa na sprinkle tu kidogo kwa tiles, then I leave it for some time. It'll bring out the smell. So over here my TV stand is clean, my couch is clean, each and everything is just clean and organized. For my bed also, so if you have reached to this point, please do consider subscribing. My laundry basket haina nguo chafu, although I'm going to take a bath, so nguo zitaanza tu kupile up in a minute. Yeah, my kitchen was clean and everything. So I do use this air freshener. I was using it before, but ikakuja tu kunilemea and I gave up. So I think when I move out one day I'll be using it in my washrooms, but sipendi, it's too strong for me. And this is the topics that I do use to clean my mirror with. So the house is clean. If you have reached to this point, thank you so much for the love and support. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's meet on the next video. Bye.